turning over a new leaf, mastering the phrasal verb, turn over. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the common phrasal verbs in the English language, turn over. If you've been looking to enhance your vocabulary and understanding of phrasal verbs, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Phrasal verbs can sometimes be a bit confusing, but they're an essential part of English. Turn over is a versatile phrasal verb that can mean different things depending on the context it's used in. Typically, it means to flip something so that the other side is showing. For example, you might turn over a piece of paper to write on the back. However, in different contexts, turn over can also mean to give control or responsibility of something to someone else, like turning over a project to a colleague. It can even mean to think about something carefully, like turning over an idea in your mind. Understanding a phrasal verb is often easier when you see it in action. Let's look at some examples of how turn over is used in sentences. 1. Turn over the card and see what's on the other side. 2. After the meeting, I will turn over the project to you. 3. I've been turning over that proposal in my mind all night. Can you see how the meaning of turn over changes in different contexts? Now that you've seen turn over in action, it's time to practice. Try to create your own sentences using turn over. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any new language skill. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the phrasal verb, turn over. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of how and when to use this phrase. Remember, English is a rich language full of phrasal verbs, and learning them will definitely make your English sound more natural and fluent. Keep turning over new linguistic leaves, and you'll be amazed at your progress. Stay tuned for more videos on phrasal verbs and remember to practice regularly. Happy learning!